Good afternoon. Today's video we're going to talk about a Square D 1000 amp breaker that I got from a job demo, and the symptoms were the handle is in the trip position and will not reset, will not go to off, and two of the lugs are seized and we can't get them loose. So my philosophy is, if it's broken, can it be more broken? Is there anything I can do to it that make it worse than it is right now? Now, we might make it unrepairable, but if it's not working right now and you've got the time, then let's take a look, see if we can make it better, see if we can fix it. So on this breaker, I've already taken it apart, put it back together. It works fine. I've tripped it, turned it off, and turned it back to the closed position a dozen times, and it works just fine. The DLRO tests show that the contacts are good, and I've still got to work on the lug. So I thought you might be interested. I'm going to disassemble it again, take it apart again, and try to get those lugs out, and we'll video that process, and then we'll video putting it back together. So I appreciate you being here. We'll start by taking that front cover off, and then I'll try to walk through the process. All right, there's nothing to see with that cover off, but we do not want to start this disassembly with the breaker in the on position. So we're going to trip it and move it to off. So we just tripped it. Now we move it to off. Now we can continue. Now the screws that you'll see are covered up with an RTV from Square D. And they may be for vibration, it may be to keep the end user out of it. So the first two we're going to take off is down here. And these are long screws because they're holding the eye-line latch. We move that out of the way. With the eye-line latch out of the way, we can stand it up, and I'd much rather do it this way. So there's your 1000 amp breaker. And we'll push those two screws out. One, two. There's two more right here. One here, one here. Okay. And when those are out, you're still not getting it apart. Now we have to come in and we have to take the two screws out of the back. Now there's nuts inside the cover that will fall out. One, all three pairs are different lengths. Now the top didn't come off easily. This fiberglass that's here has RTV assembled to the back. And then all these little screws screw into the back of the breaker. So I had to pull off 12 of the little screws, and then I had to go in right here and separate the fiberglass from the breaker body. And I just used a little awl, a little 90-degree awl to break the RTV. So that's already been done. All right, now I'm going to pull the top off. All right, nothing there. Set that over there. Those two nuts fit in the front of the body. All right, now that we have the top off, there's two more screws that we have to get to. These are in the corners. These are short. Tilt it back just a little bit. Okay. All right. Okay, so we're going to set that over there to the side. Make sure we don't have any loose parts. And most of this stuff on the white is RTV. So now we'll set the breaker flat. And we'll see if we can get in here and get these two lugs repaired right here. All right, so we've got a easy out set, and I've already drilled it out. So now we're going to see if we can turn it out. Because since this is 1,000, it's going to require several conductors. Okay, I'm turning. All right, we're going to set it up on its end and see if I can fight the table. All right, I'm going to go get a longer handle. Well, let's hope that's a little bit better. All right, we're going to lay it down flat. Should be able to do it now. Okay, so there's my lug. Now the hardest part will be getting the easy out. So that's one good hole. Now we're going to try another one. But I couldn't do this with the cover on it. It wouldn't let me do it with the cover on it. There we go. We got a bite. I went and got my ratchet adapter. So with these long-winded, maybe this will speed up the process. So there's the two that I got out, both using the same easy outs. And that's from a snap-on set, 25 piece. I'm thrilled that I have it. So now we have those lugs out. We'll chase them with some other lugs later. Now it's time to put it back together.